You're here because that belly fat won't go away. You've tried diets, you've done crunches, maybe you've even starved yourself or gone on those crazy 2-hour cardio sessions, but the fat is still there. I've been there too, looking in the mirror, frustrated, thinking why am I doing all this and still not seeing results? You don't need fancy equipment, no strict diet plans, and no long hours in the gym. Just 3 things you can start doing right now that will actually burn belly fat and get your body back in check. Let's get into it. Step 1. Fix your nutrition. If your goal is to burn lower belly fat or even just flatten your stomach naturally, it starts with what you eat and, more importantly, when and how much. Most people are eating healthy but still not in a caloric deficit. That means you're eating more than your body needs, so it stores the extra energy as fat. It doesn't matter if it's chicken and rice. If it's too much, it's too much. Track your calories for just 7 days. Use MyFitnessPal, CalI, or any free app. Don't guess. Log everything. The oils, the sauces, the snacks. Next, aim for high-protein meals every time you eat. Protein helps burn more calories during digestion, keeps you full longer, and helps keep muscle while you're losing fat. Example: meal eggs and oats in the morning, grilled chicken and rice with vegetables for lunch, salmon and sweet potatoes for dinner. Simple stuff. You don't need a personal chef, just real food, whole ingredients, and a focus on protein. Also, cut out the liquid calories. That soda, that Starbucks drink, even some smoothies, they sneak in 300 to 500 calories you don't even feel. Replace them with water, black coffee, or zero-calorie drinks. If you're serious about losing belly fat quick, this one change alone will get you results. Step 2. Use this 15-minute daily movement. You don't need an hour in the gym to start losing belly fat fast at home. What you do need is consistent daily movement. Short and effective workouts that raise your heart rate and get your body into fat-burning mode. Here's what you'll do. A 15-minute circuit you repeat daily for 7 days. No equipment, just your body. Start with jumping jacks, mountain climbers, explosive air squats, plank, and high knees. Do each exercise for 40 seconds and then rest for 1 minute and repeat for 3 rounds. After that's done, focus on the smartest way to get a six-pack. That workout is ab crunches, leg raises, Russian twists, and mountain climbers. Do each ab exercise for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. You're hitting cardio and core, but the secret is you're activating your metabolism and keeping it high for hours after. That's called the afterburn effect, and it helps you keep burning fat even when you're chilling on the couch. Combine this with the improved nutrition and you'll start to notice your waist shrinking within a few days. Step 3. Fix your sleep and stress. This last step is the most overlooked, and it's why some of you are doing everything right and still not seeing results. When your sleep schedule is trash and your stress is high, your body increases cortisol, which is the stress hormone. And guess what cortisol does? It tells your body to store fat, especially in your stomach. So if you're serious about losing belly fat, you've got to protect your sleep and lower your stress. Here's how. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. No screen time an hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark. Meditate or journal before sleep if your mind is racing. And for stress, even 10 minutes of walking outside, reading, doing breath work, or disconnecting from your phone helps. Once you fix your sleep and reduce stress, your body finally starts to release that stubborn fat instead of holding on to it. Now you might be asking, how fast can I lose belly fat doing this? Be real with yourself. It's not magic. You won't wake up with abs tomorrow. But if you follow these steps for just 7 days, you will feel and see a difference. Your stomach gets tighter, your pants fit better, and your body starts to change. And this isn't just about looking better. Belly fat can hurt your health. It can mess with your sleep, energy, and focus. So losing belly fat isn't just about abs, it's about feeling good every day. A lot of people waste time and money on fat burners, detox teas, or crazy diets that don't last. But let me tell you the truth. They don't work long term. What works is simple stuff you stick with. Like this, eat a little less, move your body every day, sleep well, and chill out when you're stressed. That's it, keep it simple. Here's another tip. You don't need a gym, just pick a spot in your house, a corner in your room or your backyard, and make that your workout space. That way, when you go there, your brain knows it's time to move. Also, don't eat all day long. You don't have to skip meals, but if you're always snacking, it's easy to eat too much. Try to eat 2 or 3 healthy meals a day with a few hours between them. And make sure they have protein, like eggs, chicken, or fish. Oh, and water. Drink lots of water. If you don't, your body holds water and you'll feel bloated like your stomach is sticking out. So skip the sodas and drink at least 3 liters of water a day. Now listen, if you don't feel motivated, that's normal. We all get tired or lazy sometimes, but you don't need to do everything. You just need to do these 3 things and do them well. Food, movement, sleep, that's it. If you start right now and keep going, just imagine how you'll look and feel in 21 days. Not just skinnier, but stronger, more confident, and proud of yourself for sticking to it. And if you're not sure it's working, take a picture of yourself on day 1, then take another in a week. You might not notice in the mirror, but those pictures will show the truth. So don't wait, don't overthink, just start. Bonus tip, the one thing that's holding most people back. All right, now, before we wrap this up, let's get real for a second. You know what really holds most people back from getting rid of belly fat? Inconsistency. It's not that they don't know what to do. You're watching this video. You know the steps now. But too many people start strong for 2 or 3 days, then fall off. They skip meals, they overeat at night, they miss workouts, and then tell themselves, I'll restart on Monday. But every Monday turns into next month. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to be consistent. Even if you mess up a meal, get back on track the next meal. Miss a workout? Cool, do the next one. Momentum matters more than motivation, so instead of aiming for perfect, aim for 80% consistent. That's more than enough to see results. And when you see the results, that's when motivation comes back on its own. Let's talk about bloating versus belly fat. One thing a lot of people confuse is bloating and fat. They look down at their stomach after a meal and think, dang, I'm getting fat. But really, it could just be bloating from what you ate. Bloating happens from salty foods, processed carbs, carbonated drinks, or food intolerances like dairy or gluten. Here's a quick fix if you're always feeling bloated. Drink more water, eat slower, and try cutting out one food group at a time. You might find that bread, milk, or even artificial sweeteners are causing the issue. Once your gut is healthy and you're eating clean, you'll notice your stomach feels flatter even before you've lost fat. That's a confidence boost right there. What about supplements? Now you might be wondering, do I need supplements to burn belly fat? Nope. No pill, powder, or fat burner is going to replace calorie deficit, movement, and sleep. Can supplements help? Sure, but they're not required. If you want to keep it simple and cheap, just take whey protein. This helps you hit your protein goal for the day without having to cook a bunch of meals. It helps build muscle, keeps you full, and supports fat loss. Creatine gives your muscles more energy during workouts, so you can lift heavier, do more reps, and grow faster. It's one of the most studied and safest supplements out there. OxyShred is a fat burner that gives you more energy and helps reduce cravings. It's not magic, but it can help you stay focused and stick to your plan, especially if you're trying to lose belly fat fast. But none of that matters if the basics aren't locked in first. Don't waste your money thinking a pill will undo bad habits. Can you target belly fat directly? Let's clear this up. You can't spot reduce fat. That means doing 1,000 crunches won't burn just belly fat. Your body loses fat in layers, and genetics play a big role in where you lose it first. But what you can do is burn fat overall, and your belly fat will go with it over time. So stay locked in. You're doing this for the long game. Not just to look good next week, but to feel better, move better, and stay healthy for life. If you're serious about making that change, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss what's coming next. I drop real advice with no fluff, just what works. So here's the recap. Step 1, get in a slight calorie deficit, 300 to 500, and focus on protein. Step 2, do the 15-minute fat-burning workout every day. And step 3, fix your sleep schedule and lower your stress. Do this consistently for just 1 week, and you'll start seeing the belly shrink. No gimmicks, no starvation, just simple, science-backed habits that actually work. And of course, don't forget to absolutely demolish the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's totally free. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.